Hey guys, it is February 23rd, 2026, and this is the blizzard is still ongoing, but this is the end. Basically the end of it. I'm using my Sony DCR-SR68, and I'm recording in the older 4:3 aspect ratio instead of the default 16:9 widescreen. Because I've never tried the 4:3. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera a bit. It's just kind of hard to hold it still. But yeah, there's over a foot of snow. It's crazy. Like, I was just shoveling out here, and there appears to be, well, essentially over a foot of snow. And look. See how much snow there is? It's very, it's crazy. It's very white. There's not white out right now. The snow's not as heavy as it was last night. But it's white. I mean, like, there's snow everywhere. It's insane. And I did use this camera to record last night. But it turns out the snow, like, slowed down, and there you couldn't really see anything, and there was not thunder snow here. If there would have been thunder snow here, then I would have uploaded it to YouTube, but there was not thunder snow, so yeah, that kind of sucks. Here's a good time to use the 60x optical zoom, which obviously isn't good right now because of the screen, and I can't go outside, otherwise I'm gonna get snow in the camera. I don't want that. So maybe I should stand a little further back. Crazy. The wind's howling. The wind always makes that sound when it blows, when there's strong wind gusts along the surface here. I think it makes that sound because it's traveling through the fence. There's also part of this tree that snapped, it looks like. It's hard to see through the screen. But yeah, pretty crazy. And there's icicles. The optical zoom on this is very good. Even though it's only standard definition, it still has very good optical zoom. And it has a 80 GB hard drive, which is also really nice. It's nice and small and easy to use. And plus, this can still produce. I can get better thunderstorm, or I can get like lightning video on this camcorder. I can get better lightning shots on here than my, like, let's say my old Samsung Galaxy A10e smartphone that I used to originally make my videos until 2022. I used that phone, and it records in 1920 by 1080, but to be honest, I think the video from this, which is only 720 by 480i, still looks quite better. I think it just has a better sensor though. Yeah, there's a lot of snow. Just piling snow everywhere. Snow on the ground. Snow on the trees. Yes, there's over a foot of snow. Still gusty winds. This is the 2026 blizzard. This is the blizzard of 2026. And we obviously had a lot of winter storms in the past, but nothing like this. Not an actual blizzard. My weather station here is just covered in snow. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this video because I gotta go inside. I still have online school. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys later. So I hope if you're in anywhere, if you got hit by the blizzard, I hope you're safe. I hope you and your family and friends are all safe. And hopefully you didn't lose power. Surprisingly, we didn't lose power. We still have power right now. But yeah, it's absolutely insane. And if you remember, you see how that tree snapped, or part of that tree snapped. If you remember back in April 2023, if you remember that storm on April 1st, 2023, there was a tree there that split in three and put a giant hole in our pool cover, because that's where it landed, and we had a giant mess to clean up. And from that same storm, we got hail damage to our roof. Yeah, we've had a lot of crazy weather in the past. We haven't had like a major severe weather event. Like, I know there were some severe thunderstorm warnings back on December 19th, but that day was mainly a high wind event, not a severe weather event. And the severe thunderstorm warnings were like in the morning and early afternoon. In the evening, there was a high wind event. So the main thing that caused power outages that day was the high wind, not the severe thunderstorm warnings. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go inside now. I hope you all are safe. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. So, goodbye.